Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Can of Python. In this tutorial, we are going to teach how to make this beautiful dashboard in Tableau software. See, I have segregated these districts by zone wise, okay, in our Maharashtra. So, if you click any of this flag, green, orange zone, red, suppose I will click in the green, so I will get that details, okay. And here also the number of cases. Here I am getting the line graph, okay. If you click orange one, you will get that details, here number of cases, and this graph you will get, okay. And here also if you click on red zone, you will get that details, okay. How how this beautiful dashboard we can make in Tableau software, we will see in this lecture, okay. So let's get start. I will open the new Tableau desktop. My data is in Excel file, so I will click on the Excel. I will select the file, I will click OK. I got this data, I will click on sheet 1, okay. Then let's get start with this beautiful dashboard. I will drag this zone over here. I have 3 zones, green, orange and red. I'll put it in shape. I will drag this zone in shape. I will edit from this right corner. I will edit this shape. I have these furnitures. In the furnitures, I have some flags over here. I have downloaded some flags. Okay. If you want to download this flag, just download from Google and go to the documents. Okay. In the documents, go to the my Tableau repository. Okay. You click over here. You go to the shape. Then you make a folder over here, new folder like. Okay. Then you can paste whatever you have downloaded, okay. So in the furniture I have downloaded these flags, so I got in this Tableau, okay. So I'll click OK. I will rotate it. I will remove this zone. Right click, hide field labels from columns. I will increase this size, okay. Then I will give this name as zones, okay. Then I will make one more sheet. This time I will drag this city over here. I will put the number of cases. Then this show me, these are the graphs, okay. I already made a video on this. These are the graphs we can make. So I will make this bubble graph. Then I will put this zone in color so that we can easily know the red, green and orange zone. So I will edit this color. Green zone I will put in green color. Orange zone I will put in orange. Red zone I will put in red, okay. Okay, I'll click OK. I got these details. I'll put name as district details, okay. I'll make one more sheet. Sorry, not dashboard. I'll make one more sheet. In this I will put this city, okay. Then I will put number of cases, and this time I will make the graph as a line one, okay. Then I will rotate this one from here. I will put zone in color, green, orange and red, okay. Already the colors are here, default color, we got that one. I will rename this sheet as confirmed cases. This, sorry, I will put the name as district details by line graph, okay. Then I will make one more sheet. I'll put city over here. Then I will put number of cases, okay. And I will click over here. I will make the graph. I will put this one highlighted tables, okay. Then I will sort this one by clicking over here. ascending or descending order. Okay, I will put like this. So I'll rename this one confirmed cases. Confirm cases. Okay, then I will make one dashboard. I will click over here. I want to maximize this graph, then I will click over here, range automatic. Okay, I got this one. Then I will put one by one zone, then district. Okay, then I will put the confirm cases over here and district by graph. I will remove those things. Okay, then I'll remove this zone also, because already we know these are the zones. We'll hide this one. We will adjust this thing. Adjust this thing also. Okay, then we will maximize this thing. Okay, I will remove this city. Hide. Right click, hide this that one. Then okay, then I will, if you click now, you will not get that details. Okay, first of all you need to use as a filter. Okay, then you can do that one. Okay, now I will click over here presentation mode. You will get this beautiful dashboard. If you click any of this zone like green zone, you will get that details. If you put the orange one, you will get that details, and if you put red zone, you will get that details. In Maharashtra, these are the districts having no corona patients. Okay, so that's Wardha, Chandrapur and Gadchiroli. Okay, the red zones are Mumbai, like Pune, Thane, Nagpur, Nashik. Okay, so this like this beautiful graph we can make with Tableau software. Hope this will make sense. Thank you guys.